What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we got 2013 Ford F-150. I'm gonna show you how to change these front and rear speakers out in a matter of minutes. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. So with this door panel, these are some of the tools that you're gonna need. I have three different types of sockets. Why? Because Ford did something very stupid. You need a 6 to take out some of the screws on the door, you need an 8 to take out some of the screws on the door, and you need a freaking 5.5 to take out the screws on the speaker. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is come right here and kind of pop this little door open. Alright, on the front door there is an 8mm screw right there. Next, what you want to do is come behind the door, kind of put that open like that. I'm going to take my little tool right here, go behind that little doorway, and we want to, there we go. And there is an 8mm behind there that we need to take out, so let's go ahead and take those out first. So at this moment I have swapped over to my 6mm because we have two screws. We have one right up under here, and we have one on this side as well. Now the good thing about this door panel is that from here we literally just lift up and our door panel comes off. Next, you want to go down here, disconnect these harnesses, and all you're doing on these harnesses, you see that clip, I'm just pressing that clip and pulling down. Now on this piece is a tad bit tricky. Reason it's tricky is because you have to press down on one side and then spin it and press down on the other side. You could probably find some type of contraption to press both of them down at the same time, but what I usually like to do is that little piece that I was using for to get that clip out, the little piece that I was using to get that piece out from the back of the door, I like to use it. So see how I squeeze that piece in, and I put some pressure on this to where it's already out. Then I just want to twist it to where I still got the pressure, and then I can just do the same thing with the other end. Once you got it like that, it will slide from the back, and then you just lift it through that little ball, and now that door panel's off. And before I actually switch my bit to the 5.5 to take this, I want to go ahead and knock out the back door, so I'm not just swapping, you know what I'm saying, just switching them all over the place, switching the sockets all over the place. Here on this back door, you want to start at this little panel at the top. Once you do that, we have one 6mm right here that needs to come out. There's nothing in the pocket here that needs to come out, but we have an 8mm behind that plate, and then we have two more 6 millimeter screws right here. So now that we still got the 6 in, man, let's just go ahead and take those out. All right, y'all, I'm swapped over to my 8mm. I went on ahead and popped that plate off just like I did over there on the front door. Got that 8mm out, and now we're just gonna lift up just like we did the front. Do the same thing, take out that harness. All right, guys, sorry, it is really hard to try to record and get that thing, but now that I have it kind of open, you see this little ball goes inside that metal piece, and then these two clips, they just kind of go in and lock. So you have to find a way to squeeze that. It is kind of difficult, but the hardest thing to do as far as taking this door panel off. I have now switched over to my 5.5. Take that harness, press it, remove the speaker, toss it, and let's go do the same thing to the front door real fast. harness, speaker done. Now let's go get our aftermarket speaker and our speaker harness. All right, guys, so these Fords do take 6x8s in the front and in the back, and you already know what I'm about to talk about next, these speaker harness. I have no idea why you wouldn't use the speaker harnesses. For one, they already have the terminals on them. The white is for positive, comes with the big terminal. The black is for negative. Negative goes with on the small terminal. So you don't have to guess which one's positive and negative, and all we have to do is unclip one and then clip the other. Simple as that. So we've literally just cut down our install time in half, because now we don't have to splice any wires. We don't have to have any type of guesswork of which one's positive, which one's negative. We just take the speaker, we put it back in, and we're gonna put the screws in. I went ahead and did the same thing to the back and all the other doors. You literally just need to see me do that once, so I'm not gonna do it 4 whole times. But if you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. If you don't want to use the speaker harnesses, but you do want the wire colors, I do have that information. I will be giving it to all my Patreon users. You guys go the extra mile supporting the channel, so I go the extra mile and giving you all the type of troubleshoot stuff. So the product links are in the description. The Patreon links are in the description. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all have a blessed day.